How to log into allstate.com. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can log into allstate.com. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar there, type in allstate.com, then press enter in your keyboard. Now you will be directly taken into the official website. Now to log in, head over to top right, there is login button. You have to click on it. Then you will see login prompt in your interface. So in order to log in, you have to enter your account user ID. Under that, enter your correct password that is associated with your account. In case you forgot your ID or password, there is your respective link right here. You can click on it and follow the instructions in order to recover your account. So once you're done entering your correct login credential, click on login button. After that, you'll be logged into your existing account on allstate.com. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.